I'm kidding, right? I'm kidding, or I'm joking. Oh, there is no meaning. I was just joking. I was just trying to like play with you. Come back, English with Neeraj. My name is Neeraj Kumar. My dear friend, this is video part number 2. If you haven't watched video part number 1, please visit and watch. This is interactive English lesson where you are going to learn so many things at a situational based. We learn the things in a situational based and real life conversation, how we talk, what are the sentences we use, when we use, and what extraordinary way or casual way, formal way or advanced way, what are the sentences or English phrasal which we use. That's what I'm describing in my video. So please watch and try to understand and comment and let me know how we can learn or improve a lot, right? So right now you can see, my dear friend, let's go, let's leave. You can see, like when we are saying to someone let's go means when we finish work and activities, if we are doing something and that work or activities we have finished. So what I say and what my friend can say to me, let's go, right? Let's go means let's go. And here we can also say let's leave. Okay, now let's leave, let's go. I'm done with my work, we've done our work and activities, let's go or let's leave, right? But in another way what we can say, let's get going. We can say let's get going means like when we completed our work, so we often say let's get going means let's start the process. When we have any plan or we are going to do something, so we can say let's get going means let's start the process, let's work. Let's get going means let's get going. My dear friend, mostly time we use these English phrasal or these English conversational sentences many times in English conversation. So my dear friend, you must know how to use, when to use, right? So now I hope you understand. Now you can see, is that true? Is that true? When we say is that true, right? When like any unreal situation, when situation is not real, when we can't accept or unacceptably things happen, like unexpectedly things when happen, so what we say, what phrases we use, we say is that true, right? If anything like which is unreal or which we feel like that not possible, so what we say, is that true? We always say is that true? Here, like how you can say in another way or casual way, you can say for real means something happened and you shocked and you are saying for real, are you sure? For real. We can use also this one, right? For real, are you really we win the battle? Are you do you understand that we have win the case? For real, are you sure? Is that true? Did you get good marks in the examination? Is that true? Or did you get government job? Is that true? For real. My dear friend, in more casually and many times, so many times we use seriously also, right? Here we also use seriously. Are you true? Are you saying true? Seriously, are you sure? We use the word is seriously when something is not okay, or we shocked, or we wonder about the things, so we say seriously. Did they win the match? Seriously, are you talking about seriously? Did you get job? Seriously. Here I can say for real, or is that true? I hope, my dear friend, it makes great sense when you use this sentence, right? I hope you understand. Now you can say I'm kidding, or I'm joking, right? I'm kidding, I'm joking. When we are joking, from our friends or family or relatives. So what we say, I'm kidding, right? I'm kidding, or I'm joking. Oh, there is no meaning, I was just joking, I was just trying to like play with you. I'm kidding, right? I was kidding, I'm kidding, or I'm joking about that, I'm joking about the things, right? You don't have to worry about, right? So my dear friend, in another way, more casual way, more informal way, what I can say, I'm just messing with you, 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 means I was just playing with you, I was just playing with you, that like, how do you feel, right? I was just playing with you, right? Means when we joke, when we say that I'm kidding, when we like lie something which is not true, which is not good, and we wanted to get some fun, we wanted to get some funny moment, some crazy moment, so what we say, I was just messing with you, I was just messing with you, or I'm just messing with you, I'm just messing with you. In real life conversation, most of the time we use this phrasal verb or English sentences, right, to express ourselves in a right way, in a correct way. I hope you got the point, right? Right now you can see, let's meet at the theater, let's meet at the theater. When we talk about the location, when we are going to meet at the location, so we say, let's meet at the theater, let's meet at the theater, or we can say, let's meet at the park, let's meet at the park, or let's meet at the office, let's meet at the office. My dear friend, more casually way, if you know English phrasal or phrases, if you studied, so definitely in another way you can say, let's meet up, let's meet up at the theater, let's meet up at the theater, means let's meet over there, any location where we wanted to talk to each other, when we have conversation to each other, so we say, let's meet up, let's meet up at the theater, let's meet up at the theater. My dear friend, I know these sentences are very important and most of the time we use in conversation, so you must use and you have to express yourself. You don't worry about. My dear friend, I'm speaking in a very excited way because I want you to understand fully. You should not have any doubt. As much as you can use, these are the conversational sentences, English phrases, it will help you, support you, develop your English communication skills. You will have lots of things to learn. My dear friend, I understand. Now, if you like, please share and subscribe and stay connected as much as possible. Definitely together we will improve our English communication skills. My dear friend, thank you so much for watching and thank you very much for your precious time. Stay connected, learn more, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.